Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the Windows Update error KB5016616 that is not installing in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with troubleshooting. So here in the Windows search tab, please type troubleshoot. Once you type trouble, you will see under best match the troubleshoot settings, so you can please click on that. Once you click on that, you will see this three options here, and at the very bottom part you will see the other troubleshooters. So please click on other troubleshooters, and once you do that, you will be able to see here two sections. We have most frequent sections and the other section. So here we will be looking for the Windows Update, this one. So if you see the Windows Update section, or Windows Update option, all you need to do is just to click this run button here, and it will start diagnosing the problem and it will troubleshoot the problem. So the next thing we need to do after the troubleshooting is just to make a quick restart with your device. Now once you're done with this one, we will proceed with disabling temporarily the third-party antivirus program that you have there in your device. So you can do that by going to the taskbar, and then you will see this up arrow key here. All you need to do is just to click on that. Once you click on that, you will see, or you will show the hidden icons, and please locate or look for the third-party applications, third-party antivirus applications or programs that you have installed in your device, and then please try to disable them temporarily. Okay, because sometimes the third-party applications are the reasons why we can't why we can't proceed with the Windows update. Next thing we need to do after disabling the antivirus, all we need to do is just to update the Windows, and we can do that by going to our settings. So we will be pressing this Windows icon here, and then we will be going to settings option. Once we're in the settings option, we will be going to the left pane. You will see there the Windows Update. At the very bottom part, you will see the Windows Update option. So please click on Windows Update option. Once you click on that, you will see this kind of window. All you need to do is just to look for the top portion, or look at the top portion. You will be notified if you're up to date or not. So if it says that you're up to date, just like this one, that means that you have already downloaded the needed versions or the updates for your device. And if it says that you have some pending downloads, please do download and install the needed downloads in your device. And you can do that by selecting this check for updates button here. Once you're done with the updating of your Windows, just make a quick restart with your device. Now once you're done with this one, you can go to your File Explorer. So you can just search here in the search tab, File Explorer, or if you have your File Explorer pinned to the desktop or in the taskbar, just simply make a click on that and it will be open. So in here, all you need to do is just to go to this PC. We will be able to see that option here in the left pane. Once you click on this PC, you will be able to see this devices and drive. So all you need to do is just to go to your main drive. So since my main drive is the C drive, then I will click on that. Once you click on that, you will be able to see here all the folders. So we will be looking for software distribution. So we will be going with Windows first. Once you click on that, we will be scrolling down, go to S section. We will be looking for software distribution, this one. If you see this software distribution, please open it, and then we will be selecting everything because we will be deleting all the files here or things in this software distribution location. So why are we doing that? Because these are the older update versions of your device, and you don't necessarily need them anymore as long as you have updated already your device. So select everything, and you can do that by simply pressing in your keyboard the Control A keys, and then click on Shift Delete. So once you've done that, you will be able to delete all these things here from your device. Or you can just also copy them. So just select everything still, press Control A, and then you can now press Control X. Once you do that, you are cutting all the files here, and then you can just make a new folder here in the desktop, and then just paste all the files that you have got from the software distribution location, and then you can export it into a hard drive that you have, and then you can use that updates or update versions in another device that you have. Okay, so once you have already done all the process that we have made, all you need to do is just to make a quick restart with your device and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.